So let's look at the 5 Google search do's and don'ts. Number 1, do use web-friendly words. Use words that will most likely appear on websites. For example, instead of searching "my head hurts" and getting these results, instead use the medical term and use headache. You will find much better results. Number 2, don't use capital letters. Google is not case sensitive, and they will ignore all capital letters. So it doesn't matter if you're going to search for Rosa Parks and type in all lowercase. If you notice, these are the results that I get. If I change it to capital Rosa Parks, I get the same exact results. Number 3, don't include punctuation. Google ignores most punctuation marks, with the exception of the $sign and hyphens. Number 4, don't worry about spelling. Google has a spell checker that automatically uses the most common spelling of a given word, whether or not you spelled it correctly. It also has the feature of auto-populating words as you type. So say I'm trying to find out how to spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. All I have to do is come up into the query field and start typing supercal, and there it is. It auto-populates for me. Or say I'm typing a word and I misspell it. For instance, say that I'm trying to type in punctuation, but instead I misspell it. What I get is it shows me results for the actual proper spelling. So if, for instance, say that I didn't want it to search for the actual, I can say search instead for the way that I typed it in. Number 5, don't use the words the, and, or, and a, as Google leaves those words out when searching. If you do want those words, then you're going to need to use quotation marks. For instance, if I wanted to find the phrase, the Declaration of Independence, and spell it correctly, I'm going to put it in quotation marks. And it's going to keep the for me.